LaCie's 2big dock gets the product spotlight treatment from Videoguys.com. Designed for the creative professional, the LaCie 2big dock delivers lightning-fast speeds, high capacities, and enterprise-class drives in a 2-bay RAID that includes a dual high-speed card reader. You can easily format it for PC or Mac as RAID 1 for mirroring, RAID 0 for speed, or JBOD with LaCie's easy-to-use RAID Manager utility. Directly ingest files from SD or compact flash memory cards onto the LaCie 2big dock to quickly import videos, photos, and all of your media. With up to 20 terabytes of storage from enterprise-class Seagate Iron Wolf drives and Thunderbolt 3 transfer speeds up to 440 megabits per second, the LaCie 2big dock is built to keep you creating. Dual Thunderbolt 3 ports allow you to daisy chain up to 5 additional LaCie 2big drives or other storage solutions. You can even charge your phone or connect a shuttle drive or digital camera to offload footage or files with the US 3.0 port.
The LaCie 2big dock is available in 8, 12, 16, or 20 terabyte models starting at just $599 and is backed by LaCie's 5-year warranty, now with rescue data recovery.
For more information on the 2big dock and all of our great products, call us at 800-323-2325 or visit Videoguys.com.
Videoguys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.